keeping everything really casual but with its chic vibe intact. On an everyday basis, I'm usually between meetings, events, so I always like to stay dressed up but not necessarily over the top. I like a lot of elegance in my everyday style, and I think that the Platinum Ibarra jewelry that I'm wearing today does just that. I love the double tassel earrings that I'm wearing right now, and I think it goes so nicely with the neck piece that I'm wearing, like a little tighter choker around my neck. I like things that I will never get bored of in my jewelry box, and I just think that the kind of jewelry I'd like to own is the kinds that I can look back and wear again after 20 years without worrying about how on trend it might be. And I think that this is really classic, and I think I'm always going to love it.
So you know how Anam is. She never wants to take the conventional route. We decided to do something really different and nice.
The my mom picked out actually is kind of perfect because it has a little bit of her as well as me in it. I feel like because I love to infuse traditional with modern, and she loves to sort of add traditional elements to like a lot of looks. It sort of brought both our styles together perfectly. I think that when I'm wearing my clothes, I really like to mix a little bit of who I am with it. And with this particular outfit, my mom chose this really nice leafy designed entire set actually. It has a neck piece, I'm wearing the bracelet, and of course it has the earrings as well. So I think as a set, she really likes to put a lot of separates together, and she did just that when she picked this particular one out. Workwear for me is all about comfort. So I think that when I'm wearing my jewelry with workwear, it also needs to be just as comfortable. Now my personal style usually is extremely basic driven, but it's also very minimalistic while still being very, very versatile. I like for my clothes, my entire outfit to be able to go with this look as well. Now, normally after a long day where I'm sort of jumping between meetings or events, I like to unwind with my fiance or with my friends or with my family and just sit back and have a good time. So when I'm doing that, I obviously want to still keep my jewelry on and still want to stay comfortable. I think that's probably why I picked out the set that I did pick out from Platinum Ibarra's line. It's this beautiful little detailed piece with rhombus designs on it, and I love the whole matte effect that it has. I think it's something that would go really well from day to evening or night, and I think that when I see that in a particular versatility where I can take it for like straight up to like 8 to 12 hours, that really, really excites me, and that's the reason I picked this piece to go with this outfit. I think that Platinum Ibarra as a brand is a range that has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for something for work, for everyday casuals, something that's just chic and looks great, for an evening out, or even for something to go with your traditional wear, you will find something or the other from this range that will suit your style sensibilities. As a fashion blogger, I believe that quality always comes way over quantity. And I think that when I'm investing in pieces, I always look at the long haul. That's how I am in my personal and professional lives, and that's how I am with my investments as well. I feel like when I'm buying jewelry for myself, I want my jewelry to last really long. And I feel that 15, maybe 20 years later, when I look back at that jewelry, I don't want to feel like that jewelry was too trendy and doesn't fit into the current trend now. I want it to be the forever classic kind of jewelry. And I think that the only way to do that is to make sure that you shop smart, you shop right, and well, you shop at Platinum Ibarra.